Here's a quick tutorial on searching the Literature Resource Center, which is a helpful resource when you're writing your literary research papers. Go to the college website and click on the library link. And once we're on the library link, go to Find Information and click Articles. And then scroll down, and you'll see here on the left it says Literature Resource Center. And I'm going to go ahead and click that button. Now, I'm interested in finding articles about Cathedral by Raymond Carver. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type in the name of the article, and I'm going to put it in quotation marks, the name of the short story, excuse me. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in Raymond Carver's name. And I've left my search on keywords. And I'm going to go ahead now and click the search button. And what I get here is a list of articles that come up, and I can scroll through this list, and there's a good number of them. In fact, if I look at this, there are 38 literary criticism articles. There are 7 biographies. There are 7 topic and work overviews, 6 reviews and news articles, and then 3 primary sources. So those would be 3 examples actually of works that Carver wrote. So if I am interested in one of these essays, I can take a look. We can see that this first one here, The Calm, A Small Good Thing in Cathedral, Raymond Carver at the Rediscovery of Human Worth. And I am interested in reading this, so I'm going to click that link. And I get some more information. I can see that this is a critical essay, and it comes from the book Contemporary Literary Criticism. And here's the essay. Lots of information. You can see that I can scan the article to find out the specific passages about Cathedral by looking at the bolded text. The names of the stories are bolded, so I can see here, and in this case it's the word Cathedral. The name of Cathedral is in red. So I can scroll through and find again, here it is. Notice that with Cathedral and with other titles, I'm looking at the one in quotation marks because the title in quotation marks is a short story. This short story comes from a book called Cathedral, and in that case, if it was referring to the book and not the story, we would see that title italicized. So here we are, and we can see that this passage applies to the article. So if I am interested in using this article for my paper, what I can do is I can email it to myself by clicking this email link over on the right-hand side, the toolbox over on the right-hand side of the screen. And then when I do that, I'm going to tell myself that I'm going to send it to myself, so I'll type in my email address. And then when it says email options down here, I'm going to leave it in HTML. And I'm going to ask for the document contents. And I do want it to send the citation in MLA 7th edition. And then it's even filled in a subject line for me. And I'm just going to go ahead and click the send button. And now I get a confirmation message that this document has been sent to my email. I click the back to document, and then I can scroll here, and I can go back to this list of search results, this red link right here. And that takes me back to this bigger list. So that's the basics of using this Literature Resource Center, and I hope that helps.